quick tutorial on using the Fibonacci lines and Elliott wave theory. So I use my fib retracement and I take the first wave of a move and I use this to kind of guide me along on a move and change my expectations accordingly, and also see if something doesn't look right. Usually a third wave would hit the 1.618 fib. This got close to the 2. Usually if it hits the 1.68, then it's going to hit the 2. But this hit around the 2 to start off this third wave. So I'm expecting this to get into this area just because of how far this wave 3 ran. And also you can kind of do this on any, because it's Elliott wave theory is fractal. So I can take this wave 1 right here and put that at the bottom of this wave. And I'm going to delete this. But then, so we got a 1, 2, and 3, and this is more standard. Well, standard would be this subwave 3 would hit this 1.382, and then this would hit the 1.618, but it almost got there. So based on this wave, I would think it would hit short of the 2.0, maybe, or I guess still hit the 2.0. I had originally had this as my target, but based on this, assuming this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got more to go, just at a higher. It's kind of high. It's kind of high on the stock to be real bullish right now, but you know, depends on how you're trading.